we want to market a product in the United States, we want to first do our market research, then we want to do the market research itself, and then do our overall marketing plan. Once we've done that, then we start thinking about kind of the other things. We need to be legal on what we're doing. So any of the permits, any licensing, any of the work that we need to do with the FDA registration piece, any of that needs to happen along with going forward. So the next steps after that are going to be setting up our distribution network. Where are we going to sell our product? How are we going to get it there? Where are our consumers? What are the markets that our consumers are in? And how are we going to sell direct to consumer? Are we going to distribute to retail stores in our region, in our city? Are we going to, what is it that we're going to do online, et cetera? So it goes from there.